Hello! In the 3D map program you can start some mechanism using other mechanism. Let's make a button that will open a large iron door. Open the Properties windows of the door. Go into the Properties of Mechanics and turn off its Start to Click checkbox. Exit. Now create a simple button from regular cube. Assign a texture to it and set up a mechanism for changing the coordinate of the texture. Choose the texture that appears, then click it. Turn Start on Click checkbox so that the mechanism starts, then it's clicked. Now we define the mechanism that it will run. This is our door. It's time to check. Excellent! Now let's create a sensor type mechanism so that the door opens automatically. To do this, take our doors and create a physics cube on them. Configure its dimensions and position. In the properties of this cube, so that you can go through it, set the type of soft collision. Select the type of mechanics, the sensor, and go into its properties. Now, assign a mechanism that will start when a player enters the sensor field. And now we assign a mechanism that will start when player leaves the sensor field. Assign a sound, and you can check. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.